In the lap of the majestic Himalayas, at an altitude of 2084 meters, is situated Nainital. This hill station, of breathtaking natural beauty, lies in the northwestern part of the state of Uttarakhand. Nature has lavishly bestowed her bounty on this little gem of a place. The pristine surrounding areas and scenic vistas of Nainital evoke a feeling of romance with nature. Located in a serene environment between the flanks of Ayarpata and Upper Danda and overlooking the Naina Peak is an institution of excellence, a place where civil servants, development functionaries and people's representatives get trained to serve the public in a responsible and efficient manner. This institution is the prestigious Dr. Raghunandan Singh Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration. The roots of Dr. R.S. Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration can be traced back to the year 1951, when it was originally established as the Officers Training School in the city of Allahabad. It was moved to its present location at Ardwell Camp in the year 1971. The institution was renamed as the Administrative Training Institute in the year 1974. And the academy was elevated to the status of Uttar Pradesh Academy of Administration in 1988. In the year 2000, when the hilly areas of Uttar Pradesh were carved out to create the state of Uttaranchal, the academy was named as Uttaranchal Academy of Administration. Later on, in January 2007, when the state was renamed as Uttarakhand, the name of the academy was accordingly changed to Uttarakhand Academy of Administration. In December 2016, the academy was renamed as Dr. Raghunandan Singh Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration, Nainital.
Dr. R.S. Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration is an apex academy which imparts training to different cadres of officers and officials in the state. This academy in-house, it runs about 120 to 140 courses of different durations and different dimensions over the year.
Ever since its inception, the academy has contributed immensely towards nation building. It is a self-sustaining, proactive institution which is counted among the best in the country. It has made immense contributions in the area of capacity building, in terms of training and research and advisory roles, in the realms of public administration and development initiatives. The academy has gained national and international recognition in the spheres of human resource development, trainers training, and development administration. Additionally, Dr. R.S. Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration has made meaningful contributions in the areas of urban development and management, water supply and sanitation, forestry and environment, community mobilization, NGO capacity building, and gender issues.
We have a center for good governance also here, which has different cells. So we get courses from all over the country, and we organize workshops on different topics from participants from different states and union territories of the countries as well.
The academy organizes various courses and trainings from time to time, ranging from induction to advanced level. Foundation courses are organized for officers selected through Combined State Civil Services, while in-service courses are conducted for those currently serving as high-ranking IAS, IFS and IPS officers. Induction courses are organized for personnel selected through the Public Service Commission of Uttarakhand. Development of trainers is high on the academy's agenda, and there are courses offered for design of training, training need analysis and direct training skills. The academy, under the aegis of the Ministry of Agriculture, established a disaster management cell to study and respond to the needs of those affected by disaster and emergencies. In order to fulfill the above goals and host offices functioning at various levels of seniority, along with national and international delegates, the Academy boasts of impressive infrastructure which has managed to retain elements of its rich heritage. The 15-acre campus is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure that enhances the learning experience of the trainees. The interaction of trainees extends beyond the four walls of the classrooms, giving them a chance to learn from each other. The institute can accommodate 150 trainees at a given time on a sharing basis in its two hostels, Gangotri and Yamunotri. The hostels are equipped with modern amenities so that trainees are comfortable during their time at the academy. The academy also has well-furnished guest houses, Alaknanda and Bhilangana. All the rooms of the guest house are equipped with a television and a computer with internet facilities. These guest houses are utilized for accommodation of the resource persons of the training programs. The academy has a well-equipped mess with dining hall and a separate VIP lounge. The beautifully designed mess of the campus is responsible for providing nourishing meals to the trainees during their period of stay. Utmost care is given to hygiene in preparation of food in the kitchen. The kitchen also caters to the needs of the staff members and visitors. The beautiful campus of Uttarakhand Academy of Administration is equipped with sound infrastructure to enable it to host a variety of training activities which are at par with national standards. The academy aims to provide a joyful learning atmosphere to the trainees. There are classrooms in the academy of varying capacity, provided with latest audio-visual tools that enhance the learning process. There are spacious conference halls on the campus that are utilized for meetings and seminars. Perhaps the crowning jewel of the campus is the auditorium situated in the Trishul Bhavan with a seating capacity for 200 people. This auditorium provides an ideal platform for speakers and performers to present their ideas and craft to audience during seminars and cultural events. The academy also has a computer lab for imparting training on software skills which are vital to the capacity building of trainees. This lab is equipped with latest desktops for the trainees. There is a separate audio-visual section as well. The library is the heart of any institution of excellence. So is the Library and Documentation Center of the Uttarakhand Academy of Administration. This modern digitalized library, equipped with the Libsys software, is one of the most prestigious and well-stocked libraries in the state of Uttarakhand. It has a vast and varied collection of close to 96,000 books, journals and documents. Also, the Academy periodically publishes handbooks, training manuals, reports, surveys and conference proceedings. While academics and skill development are the key focus areas of the training programs, the Academy believes that sports play an important role in the overall development of the trainees. Trainees can play badminton, billiards, table tennis, volleyball and lawn tennis in the sports complex. A small gymnasium is also available for use by participants.
Now it is our endeavor with the present faculty and with our support systems to make it more dynamic, and we'll have in the days to come, in the months to come, in the years to come, we'll have many increased number of courses and training programs here, and we'll see that the quality of these programs is also top class, and this will be an individual and a collective endeavor of all the team members who are working in the academy.
Standing tall and proud amidst the lush greenery of Nainital. Dr. R.S. Tolia Uttarakhand Academy of Administration has made a stellar contribution towards the capacity building of public servants. An irreplaceable part of the history of the region, the Academy is not just the pride of Uttarakhand, but the entire nation.